Okay folks, quick video on if you break your cup holder in a 2019 Plus Ranger. Mine is a 2021 Tremor Lariat edition, but I suspect they're all the same. This part was breaking and folding in on the passenger side, breaking down. There's a little screw in a plastic kind of loop that it goes through there, and then another little attachment there. They break off pretty easily. Mine, I bought it and it was already a bit loose. I think my toddler stepped on this as he was climbing over, jumping around in the truck, and it snapped the rest of it. I couldn't find a good way to repair it once I did finally get it apart. So I ended up putting a block of wood and some foam underneath, which hopefully you can kind of see under there. Just a little bit of 2x4 and some high density foam, and that supports under the first cup holder piece, and it's got some pretty good pressure to put on there, as good as factory anyway. But it's actually got some support because it's completely hollow under there, so anytime you lean on a cup here or something, it can easily snap. So no video to how to get this apart, so I'll let you know what I did. On the gear shifter here, grab under here, pop that up, bunch of clips under here, goes all the way down to the front. Just use a panel tool and pop them all off. I couldn't get the very front two off, didn't need to. Coming down the front here, there is a small little panel here that just pops off, and then one screw here that goes in. Torx head, can't remember what size it is, sorry. Same on the other side, pop off the panel, take off that screw. Then up on the gear shifter here, once you've got this off, there's 3 screws under here, 1, and then up under the front there, 2, 3. Okay. Then you're going to want to pop off the sleeve around the emergency brake. There's these little tabs here that go down inside these bits here. On the inside of them, you can see there's a little bit of a lip there, so you just need to pop those out, bend them out, and get them all the way around. The whole thing pops out. And then finally around at the back, there are 2 screws. This rear panel just pops off again with a panel tool. A couple of clips at the top, 2 down each side, and then right down in there you can kind of see just down in there, there's a screw, 1, same on the other side, right down in there, 2. Take those 2 out, and then come back to the front by the gear shifter. Okay, there's this cross member here. I'm trying to get a good view at it here. So this here, you can lift this up, put the panel down. That just slides out. It's on kind of hard to show it here, on both sides. You want to lift that up and out, or the side panel down and around it. I was able to just pry it off and slide it down. Then your entire center console is going to slide backwards. That allowed me to lift the back of it up, get that block of wood under it, get that high density foam. I'm going to guess it's around 10 inches, 10 centimeters. I guess that's the 2x4, and then the foam is a little bit thicker than the 2x4. Total size. You'll have to play around to find something that works for you, but that's what I did. I couldn't find anywhere around here to reattach it. I did remove the screw here and here, just so that the plastic ring that the screw went through around here went up higher, so it didn't block it. I just left the screws out because I couldn't get them to thread back in afterwards. Best of luck. Hope that helps someone out there. I've gotten lots of good tips off YouTube, so hopefully this helps other people there for a free fix.